So if you want to go outreach, one of the best things that I recommend is like, don't show up empty-handed. Everybody's teaching online like just hit up as many people as possible, cold DM, cold email, spam blast them like AI robots, and just it's just volume and just like, hey bro, if I could 2 to 3x your revenue, and like you don't have to come up with some crazy offer and like, hey, if I can guarantee you results in 30 days, boom, 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 and you just spam that to enough people, or you go in and just like say like, hey bro, do you need email? Like, and just come in like cool and casual. That stuff is so dumb. Don't do that stuff. It doesn't work. If you sound like everybody else, you're gonna do what everybody else does and get no money. Go do more. If you're gonna go outreach and pitch people, dude, if you have no case studies and no proof that you actually know what you're doing, which if you're a brand new copywriter, you don't show up empty-handed saying, please, sir, may I have some more? Don't go in as a beggar. Go in as someone who knows what they're doing. Even if you don't know what you're doing yet, go in. If you've been studying copywriting for a couple weeks, don't show up empty-handed. Go outreach and give them something. Be a giver. Like, be generous. Go give them tips on their copywriting. Go audit their copy. Yes, start with a DM. Go find them on social media. Follow, like, comment. Start with a DM. Sure, personalized compliment. What, like, you're still stuck in message requests. So once they reply, go hit them up with an audit. Go give them a free piece of copy. Go give them a couple tips in their copy. Look at their current stuff. Tell them what they're doing wrong and what they need to do to improve. Go help people for free. Like, go prove. You got to create proof. You need trust and proof to land clients. So if you have no trust because you're a complete stranger, you're going to go DM somebody on the internet as a stranger, you need to generate proof. Well, if you have no results, no case studies, no samples, nothing, no proof of results, you have to generate proof somehow. So what are you going to do? Go create proof. Go in as a consultant. Approach people as a consultant and you'll land them as a copywriter. Go look at their emails. What are they doing wrong? How's their subject line? How's the preview text? How's the body copy? How's the call to action? Do they have a link in there? Do they have a PS? Is it personalized? Is it hard to read? Is it easy to read? Is there a hook? Is there not a hook? Like, look at their stuff and tell them what they're doing wrong and what they should do to improve it. And then write them a piece of copy. And then, don't even say, hope it helps. Ask them, let me know what you think of it. Just want to help you out. Send it. Let me know what you think of these tips. Let me know what you think of this copy audit.